What is social media proof? The concept says people will follow the action or behavior of masses. That means psychologically we are being motivated to follow an action which is taken by lot of people, and we get convinced, okay, if so many people are taking this particular action or behaving in certain ways, then that must be a correct action. So that is known as social proof. Just imagine you wanted to take your friend to a restaurant for a lunch. You are going on a particular highway and you see two restaurants. One is having some 20-25 people already taking their lunch over there, and the adjoining restaurant is absolutely empty. Now, where you would prefer to go? Higher chances you would opt for a restaurant which is having already some people taking their lunch, because psychologically you start thinking this restaurant must be serving a good food or must be having a better ambience than the adjoining restaurant. That's why people are going there and you opt for that particular action. So this way social proof influence our decision making. These social proofs are more important in online marketing. If you happen to be an e-commerce platform, then these are absolutely very important. Imagine you are going to a physical store to buy a blazer. You decide on a particular design and you select two different brands blazer. Now how you will take a decision? Obviously you will look and feel the material and you will try, and whichever is giving you better fit and fitting into your budget, you would opt for that. Now in online you really cannot have that touch and feel idea, and at the same time, as the product is not available on hand, you cannot try also. So you go to review sections, what people are talking about this particular product quality or fitting, and based on that you take a decision. If you were confused, you were like 60% positive, but you read lot of negative reviews, then you would not opt for it. Or you were little negative about this, but you read lot of reviews which are talking positive about that particular product, then you will opt for that brand or that product. This way these reviews influence your decision making. You tend to believe these reviews because you also get convinced like these people have already purchased a product and that's why they are having better experience with the product, and as you are not having product on hand, you have to believe them and you take action based on that. So this way social proofs are becoming more important in digital marketing, especially in e-commerce. A review of product, testimonial by a customer, endorsement by influencer or celebrity can be considered as a social proof. Number of people following you on various social media platforms, number of awards and recognition given to your organization or product or service, number of shares or number of comments, these all can be a social proof. So start thinking whether you are getting enough social proof on your content or not. Make it a part of your strategy. If somebody is buying from your store, somebody is buying from your online website, ensure in some way you connect to them and ask them to give you a review, to give you a testimonial, and maybe sometimes you can click their pictures and post. So all this will help in convincing your target audience. Therefore, I believe social proofs are very important in marketing, and every marketer must invest in getting social proofs. If you are not collecting social proof right now, then start doing it from today. Thank you.